Alright, you guys are probably like, yo, this is the same exact video. It's not, it's different. It is a different video. So today we just installed our new BMP tuning headlights. I'm doing this because I kind of don't like having two videos with multiple mods in them, because then people just like, because I'm gonna name it something and they're gonna go for that, they're gonna search up one thing and that second thing that I installed never ends up getting any attention. If that makes any sense, I don't know. But yeah, so this is gonna be a separate video. I got sequential turn signals, so these are gonna match up with these brand new headlights, hopefully. I also got, I'm probably not gonna put this in this video, but I'm making like another video of doing it, or how to do it. I got a little cover for the lights actually, so like actual protection for them. It's clear though, no colors, no tint. I like them like this. I did make a mistake and I bought the wrong thing. So they're advertised as genuine carbon fiber. This is obviously not genuine carbon fiber. It looks really fake. Up close, far away, it looks pretty real, to be honest. It looks like it could be real, but I don't have one on this side of the mirror, so I'm just gonna put it on for now, and me, in the future, buy actual carbon ones, but this will do for now. So if you ever see my car and I still have this one on, you can come look at the real one and you can come look at the fake one. Also, this is gonna be temporary. I am gonna get an actual carbon one now, because now this feels stupid. This feels like stupid to have a real one and a fake one. So I will get a real one. They're just not in stock. So once they're in stock, I'll get one. But for now, we'll run the fake one. Alright, so again, this is not a tutorial, but since my old one literally fell off, it's gonna be super simple just to zap these old ones off, take these off, and then put the new one on. My clips here did break though. Damn. But yeah, let's get this on, man. Ooh, it works. It's kind of long, actually. It's not good. So this one broke a little bit. It's really ugly though. All done. My dumbass is looking down at here and I have 3 bolts, so I didn't put any bolts on that one. This side, for whatever reason, one of them I couldn't get the bolt in, but like it's pretty sturdy in there. I'm gonna take the other side apart and just put one. Do the ones that open and close on their own, the ones that have like the motor in them. My friend did it to his, and it's pretty sick, but like, or should I just stay lightweight 'cause race car? I don't know. I guess we're just doing one. Blind to see you already let go. Move on, you need a 2 sentimental. Well, I crashed the car, get out of town. 'Cause I can stay here when you're not around. Wish I wanted you can hold me down, but it ain't funny now. And it's all I think about. Only one thing left to do, and that is turn on the car, loud, turn signals on, oh, damn, oh my god, that looks so good. Damn, that looks amazing. Look at that. Like, that's so sick. Over there, dope, right there. Oh my god. That's so sick. Oh shit. You can't even see my face. Alright, sick. Damn, I'm so hyped. What? Insane. Fuck, it's starting to get cold again, but yeah guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys want me to do. I'm a little tired. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Yeah, appreciate y'all watching. See you guys.